Is it a bird? Is it a plane?
No way.
Who could it be?
Check it out.
It's me.
Is it a bird?
No way.
Is it a plane? Who could it be?
It's me.
Check it out.
Is it a bird? Is it a plane?
No way.
Who could it be?
Check it out. Superhero.
Stand up and shout, hey! Superhero! Jump up and shout, hey! Stand up and shout, hey! Superhero! Jump up and shout, hey! Action heroes are okay. Fantasy in action. Spider-Man's a swinging ride. He's a big attraction. Masters of the universe, they're just cartoon masters. If you want the real deal, I've got what you're after. My God is big, the one who created earth and sky. And like a blinding light, he's shining bold and bright. And on his love is flowing to us deep and wide. For Jesus paid the price, and for that sacrifice, I'm making him the hero of my life. Jump up and shout, hey! Superhero! Jump up and shout, hey!
Superhero.
What's your favorite thing about camp?
Tubing.
Tubing, totally tubing.
What's your favorite part of camp, little girl?
Maintenance Mac.
Tubing on Beaver Lake.
I cannot stay silent. I will not hold back. I want to open up and let the things roll out. I'm overwhelmed.